This is everything you need to know about using outreach in GlassHouse to launch campaigns, send one-off messages, send the email campaigns, export, all of the actions that are going to take place with your prospecting. So let's get into it. When you click on the outreach tab, you will see all of your prospect groups that you created over in Reveal. They are going to show you how many contacts are in each of this group. So for instance, Oyster Creek has 47 contacts. It's also going to show you the date it was created. This one was created today. It's going to show you the status. If you just revealed it, it might still be in processing. This one's done, so it says enrich. It's going to tell you the source. So this says Reveal. I got it from Reveal. One down here, this Reengage prospect group. This one came from Reengage, which is just my current customer database, so I know where it came from. And then I can scroll down here just to see the history of my groups and be able to tab through each of those. You can also tab through each of these if you want to just isolate just your Reveal groups, just your Reengage groups, just your prospect import, all that good stuff. And you can also search for prospect groups here. These groups are all clickable. So if I click into Oyster Creek, it's going to show me who did we pull from Reveal, what are their names, what are their addresses, how many contactable phone numbers, and how many verified email addresses that we brought over here just for an overview. And then it's like, hey, I'm ready to actually do something. I need to send them a message or send them a campaign. Let's see how we do that. So if I want to launch a campaign with Oyster Creek, you'll notice I'm able to because this blue button is here. Anything that says active in the status already has a message going on or a campaign going on. I'm going to go to Oyster Creek. I'm going to click launch campaign. It's going to give me campaign template options. You might do holiday outreach, seasonal outreach, monthly. I'm going to go with monthly because it just happens to be the season where I am going and I want to make sure that I'm hitting these people 3 months in a row, once a month. So I'm going to click that. It's going to bring me to the messages that I've already set up in templates, but give me the option to edit them. So you click edit and then the message editor pops up for you. You can still enhance with Ask Jackie AI and all that good stuff. If you want to, you can also adjust the send date. It's going to default to that day. The way that this monthly campaign is set up is it's going to roll every 30 days. So if I come and change it to start until tomorrow and maybe a different time, that's fine. I'm going to save it, and then you'll notice that the other dates got adjusted. It was May 22nd, now it's May 23rd, and then June 22nd got updated as well. But I can make final edits here. Looks good to me. Now I'm going to click next. This is where I can decide, do I want to attach an email campaign? If you use this for warm email, it is integrated with Instantly, and all of your campaigns will be in here to choose from. And then you click the one you want, and it gives you an overview. What's the subject of that message and what's the cadence? So this one goes every 7 days. That looks good to me. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Then I'm going to be brought to my automation selection. So a lot of times you're going to have that AI responder on, and you can click whichever AI agent you want. Remember, you can set up multiple. So I can click Michaela, and then I would just click next and be ready to go. If you don't want to use AI responder, you can always send just a one-off text message for all your hot leads so that they are feeling taken care of until you can contact them, and that's set up here. And then your webhook. So you might already have a webhook established in your account. That would pull it in here. You don't have to put it in every single time, but you just want to make sure that it's turned on if you are wanting to utilize that feature. I'm going to make sure my AI agent's turned on. I'm going to click next. Then we get to campaign rules. This is basically just the things that are going to be done to protect your reputation. So you can read through those. The biggest ones being, we're not going to have any duplicate outreach. We're going to honor opt-outs. We're going to, do business hours, and we're going to make sure we scrub the DNC list. That looks good. I'm going to click next. Then we're brought to the review page. This is great because I get to see what is my message going to cost me. My first message cost estimated is 63 credits. It's going to charge me when that message gets deployed. So it's going to be tomorrow, April 23rd. Then when the other ones go out in May and June, that's when that credit spend will happen. So it's not charged all at once, and I can see it's going to be at most 63 credits. It's estimated. And then maybe there's some opt-outs or something that happen whenever this campaign is rolling, and maybe that number is a little bit less as the campaign moves around. Then I'm just going to click launch when I'm good to go, unless I need to make any sort of adjustments. Launch. Then if you're like, well, where does it go? After you launch it, it goes and sits on our sales board. So let's just show you an example. Here is a campaign that was launched a couple days ago, West Buda. On that card, it shows me the next message is about to go out in 28 days. 250 text messages have been sent and 3 hot leads have been generated. I can click into that campaign and see what's the status. We're on the second message. I can come in and go to sequence and change the second or third message. It hasn't gone out yet, so you have the ability to come in and make tweaks if you want to. And you also have the ability to pause or end the campaign here as well once it's rolling. And then I can already see, look, I've got some leads from Westbuda. I got Westbuda in the AI answering column. I got some needs attention leads from that Westbuda campaign. So it's rolling. If I go back to outreach and I want to just send a one-off message, that is next to the blue button. So I just click send a text message. All of my individual text templates will pop up. I can click one of those guys, review it, and then same thing as sending a normal message as always. You can click next and then get that sent out. You can still attach AI responder, one-off text message, and then you'll do that preview and send out. And then lastly, if you needed to just send one prospect group specifically to Instantly or to HubSpot, you could certainly do that. You could export the group. And if you're just done with the group and it's sitting here, you can always archive it as well. So this is where you're going to get all of the work done of getting those messages sent out. If you need any help with these steps, don't hesitate to come over to this chat feature right here. Your CSM will pop up, either Rachel or myself, and you can book a call with us or give us an email and we can walk you through one-on-one. Bye.